juniors and seniors of CBAT and VBAT on this occasion of Freshers Day program. Just I give the brief idea about our college, the program which we have conducted earlier in our premises. We have been conducting the awareness program for the past 2 years at Prodhutur and Kadapa, and we have conducted the personality development program by Sri Endamuri Virendranath in the year 2008, and Vedic mathematics by Dr. Revella Avadanilu in the year 2008 December, and we have conducted the 5K run to keep the robust health we have conducted at Prodhutur, and to help the students of in and around the Prodhutur and Rayalaseema region. We have conducted the Job Fest in 2010 February. Almost 316 students were placed in different MNC companies. And we have conducted the national level workshop on middleware technologies by the CSE department of CBAT and VBAT. And we have conducted many programs which are related to the academic and also the non-academic. In spite of the academic and non-academic programs, our students, each and every student contributed ₹10 in a month. I am very happy and thankful to you all to contribute the penny of ₹110 each and every student to the public service.
Knowledge without action is useless and irrelevant. Knowledge with action converts advertly into prosperity. When you speak, speak the truth. Perform when you promise. Discharge your trust. Without hold your hands from striking and from taking that which is unlawful and bad. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Dr. Radhakrishna said about the education, the aim of the education is not the acquisition of information, although important, or acquisition of technical skills, though essential in modern society, but the development of that bent of mind, that attitude of reason, that spirit of democracy will make us responsible citizens. In the same way, Swami Vivekananda said about the education, we want the education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, and the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. At Rayalaseema Open Athletic Meet, Mr. Y. Prasad Reddy and G. Vishwanath Reddy and Sandhya Rani got selected for the Inter-University.
Gopala Krishnamurthy Garu, General Manager, Bharati Cements,